Alright, so here we're going to be talking about finding the volume and surface area of a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is really just a simple box. This is the shape that you've been dealing with for the last couple of years. As long as you use each of the edges consistently, you should be fine on this. You should be given three numbers, the length, width, and height. I'm going to highlight all of my lengths in the same color. All of these sides are blue and they're all the same going around that rectangular prism. All of those are the same length. I'm going to highlight all of the heights with green. All of those are the same length and they're all going to be used for the height. Now I'm going to highlight my width in red. And again, all of those are the same. So we can label all of those as W. You don't actually have to have it like that. Actually, we could switch the blue and the red. Your red ones could be length and your blue ones could be width. It actually doesn't matter as long as you're using them consistently. So in this first one, I'm going to call my 6 my width. I'll say 9 is my length and 11 is my height. You can see that we have two 11s. We don't need to use both of them. We're just doing length times width times height, or 9 times 6 times 11. That's my length, width, and height. You don't need to use this extra 11 or the extra 9. You're just multiplying the three different numbers together. That would give us a total of 594 miles cubed. We're literally talking about the number of cubic units that it takes to fill that thing. 594 cubic miles, space of miles, can fit inside of that box. This formula is a little bit longer, but it's still the same. As long as you're consistent with your length, width, and height, you should be fine just following order of operations on this. So I'm just going to write them down here. My length is 9, my width is 6, and my height is 11. So I'm just plugging those numbers into the formula. 2 times 9 times 6 plus 2 times 9 times 11 plus 2 times 6 times 11. You should notice that we're just doing each of the different combinations. 9 and 6, 9 and 11, and then 6 and 11. And we're multiplying each of those times 2. After you follow order of operations, that should give you a total of 438. Again, this is miles squared, because we're talking about the number of square units it takes to cover that shape. That's what surface area is, the area on the surface of the shape.